This video will show you 2 different ways that you can stop spam emails coming in Gmail. So whether the emails go directly to the promotions, primary, social, or even the spam folder, we can actually stop these from coming altogether. So if you get spam emails from the same email all the time, the chances are you're subscribed to an email list. You can go ahead and go to the bottom of their email, and you should always see unsubscribe from this list. You can go ahead and click on this and it should unsubscribe you from their email list. Every email has to have this. Now if you don't see this, or if this isn't working, or if a company is emailing you many times despite you unsubscribing, the next best thing you can do is copy their email address and you can create a filter. Now this filter will tell Gmail that when you get an email from this specific email sender, to automatically put it in the bin. To do this, click on an email, then go to the 3 dots in the top right, then click filter messages like these. It will then add their email here to the from section. You can replace this and add any email that you want to filter. Then go ahead and click create filter. If you want to, you can also add a subject, or if an email has any specific words, you can add them there as well. Click create filter, and then you want to go ahead and click delete it. Then click create filter. Now every time you get an email from this email, it will automatically be deleted and you'll see it in the trash folder.